I have a lot of layers in this project. Grouping layers can make managing a project like this easier. To group layers together, click the layers on the project canvas while holding down the Shift key. In the panel on the left-hand side, you will see Group. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Command+G for Mac and Control+G for Windows. And just for good measure, there's a third way. You can also right-click to open a pop-up menu and choose Group. Oh look, it also gives you the keyboard shortcut too, in case you forget it. You will need to keep your mouse over one of the selected element layers when you right-click. If your mouse moves away, as mine has from the selected pink paper elements, then any element underneath the mouse will become the object of the right-click command, in this case, the text element.